Hey everyone, I hope things have been going great with you all. I hope you like the new logo. Let me know your thoughts. This week, I'm happy to announce that I released a new shader pack asset on the Unity Asset Store. I'm doing a giveaway for the shader as well. Stay tuned for later on in the video for more details on how to get involved. In this video, I'm going to walk through what shaders are in the pack and how you can start using them in your own projects. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be notified of when new videos go live. If we could hit 20 likes on this video, that would be amazing. This lets YouTube know that you all want more of my content, and that helps me greatly. The Sphero shader pack currently features 5 shaders: Dither, Highlight, Scanlines, Toon Water and Lava, and Tie-Dye. I'll be updating this pack with new shaders as I make them. Each shader has pre-built materials already in the pack and some examples on how to use them in the demo scene. If you would like to use any of the pre-built materials, simply drag the material that you want to use onto the mesh renderer component on the object that you want to use the material on. If you want to use your own version, create a new material and select the corresponding shader that you would like to use. From there, tweak the settings until you get your desired effect. A few examples are using a custom render pass. This would be the 2 half spheres and the pink highlight that's on the cat. This lets us render a different material when something is behind a wall, as seen with the 2 spheres, or render a material on top of an existing model and material, as seen with the cat. Custom render passes are configured at settings/obstruction renderer, which is set on the render pipeline asset at settings/universal RP-high quality. The shader pack does include the model and texture for the cat and the bathtub that you can see in the demo scene completely for free. I've used these shaders in numerous projects, including games, assets, and demos. Even the overlay that you see here on YouTube was created with the tie-dye shader. If you only need one of these shaders, each will soon be available for individual purchase. However, the pack does offer a bulk discount. On to the giveaway. Next week, I will randomly select a comment on this video to win a copy of this asset. No double entries will be allowed, and the only thing you need to do is leave a comment. Visit the Unity Store asset link down below to pick up your copy of the pack and browse other assets that I've created. You may download the most up-to-date demo of this asset, as well as other assets and games of mine on my itch. Check out my live Twitch streams from Wednesday through Saturday, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific. Join my Discord community filled with a bunch of talented developers and cute pets. Special thanks to my Patreons this month for making my content possible. Manager tier patrons will receive a free copy of this asset. If you would like your name mentioned here or receive free copies of assets that go live in the future, consider supporting me on Patreon. And finally, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more of my content. Thanks for watching.